I'm Jamal El Hasnaoui. I'm a Moroccan national. I am a PhD student at the University of Torino. I'm enrolled in complex systems for life sciences. I am in my third year, and I'm doing my research work mainly on regulatory mechanisms of alternative splicing in the context of breast cancer. For the long-term purpose, I'm planning to translate all my skills and my knowledge into practice, like also contributing to the scientific community in order to understand at least one aspect that is contributing to breast cancer progression, which is alternative splicing. And I would also like to translate my skills into practice in my home country. So learning abroad and then trying to transfer my skills to other people in my home country as well. Well, the most satisfying aspect is imagine yourself doing an experiment in the lab, and then within a few days or within 1 week you have an excellent result that would explain a regulatory mechanism that is crucial for the progression of a specific disease. So if you are able to decipher this regulatory mechanism, I think that's the most satisfying point. At that point, you wouldn't think about the fatigue or the obstacles that you have been facing through the way. In my opinion, that's the most satisfying point. COVID-19 emergency is a very difficult situation that all the world, I think, is facing nowadays. Unfortunately, it has strong effect on the progression or normal progression of research, especially for people that are working in the lab. So you know that you have no deliveries, everything is locked down, and that's the main problem of this. However, people like me that are doing also bioinformatics, and also some of my colleagues, we are still able to work remotely from home, so you just need your computer to perform your analysis. But unfortunately for experimental people, it's quite difficult for them. The young student has to know what he has in hands first, and he has to clearly define his objective and purpose. If he's planning to stay in academia, so he has to be patient because that's a long way to go. If he's planning to quickly get a job and then have a position, he would go to industry or something different than research. And then the second point is he has always to make an equilibrium between what he has as skills and the program that he's going to be enrolled in. This is the two main points that he has to consider, actually.